Sit down, son, let me tell you a tale about this winding road, sometimes rough as nails. The world's gonna test you, knock you down hard, but you've got the strength, you've got the heart. Every choice you make, every path you take, it won't be easy, but it's yours to shape. Life is what you make it, so make it strong. Stand up tall, even when it feels wrong. Every storm will pass, every night turns light. Keep pushing forward, keep holding tight. I've seen hard times, I've walked through the rain, worked these hands till they knew the pain. But the sweat, the struggle, the lessons learned built the fire inside that always burned. Every fall you take, every tear you cry, makes you stronger, boy, just keep your eyes high. Life is what you make it, so make it true. Give it your all, let the best in you shine through. Every dream you chase, every risk you take, it's in your hands, son, don't hesitate. One day you'll stand where I am now, looking back, wondering how. But you'll know deep down through the highs and lows, it was all worth it, every road. Life is what you make it, so make it count. Climb those mountains, rise above the doubt. Every storm will pass, every night turns light. Keep pushing forward, keep holding tight. So go on, son, go chase the sun. The fight ain't easy, but it's worth what you've won. Life is what you make it, so make it yours. Walk with courage, walk through those doors.